Hi there, I'm back again with another simple DIY project. This one cost me absolutely nothing. In this project, I'm going to make a modern house number plaque using all scrap materials from my backyard. For this project, we need a cardboard box which I'll cut and spray paint to create the house number, few pieces of pallet wood, leftover artificial turf, nails, measuring tape, pencil, hammer, knife, wood cutting saw and spray paint. I'm going to leave the timber as is, but you may like to put some paint on it. It totally depends on how you want it. The first thing we are going to do is to measure the place where we are going to install the plaque. It's been raining all day, so I've set up my workshop inside the house. Hopefully I should be able to finish this project without creating a lot of mess in the house. I'm going to cut the house number from this piece of cardboard and then spray paint it. Let's start by cutting the wood planks based on the measurements taken from the wall. Using a sanding tool, make the edges smooth. Even if you don't do it, that's fine. It will just give a rough and tough look to your project. Once you have all the four sides ready, you just need to join them with the right size nail or screws. With a piece of scrap plywood, we are going to cover the back side of the box. The artificial turf is going to sit on this plywood. Hammer the nails on the alternate corners first. By putting them in alternate corners, you will secure the sheet from moving left or right while you are doing your job. Once you finish putting the nails on all the edges, put one on each side to give it a bit of extra support. Now let's measure the internal space and cut the turf as per the measurement. To install the number, we are going to use 2 small blocks of wood and hammer it to the base. Now using a hot glue gun, pour some hot glue on the blocks and then stick the number to it. That's it, we are all done. Thanks again for watching this video. I hope it helps you. If you want to support me, you can subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Thanks. See you again in my next video. Bye now.